morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the remaining questions and their answers. Here is a conversation between Lily and Baby. I give you a model conversation. You please try to write yourself a conversation.
The Little Girl and the Umbrella. Let's review the story. Question number 1. How does the author describe the rainy season? എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഓഥർ മഴക്കാലത്തെ വിവരിക്കുന്നത്? Rain is a cruel character in the story. Author described the heavy rainfall as pebbles which fall from the sky. Rain is the central reason for all the things that happen on that day. It is because of the rain there came a need for an umbrella. Rain is the reason for the muddy roads which made little Lily injured. It didn't show any softness towards little Lily. So, let us consider it as a silent villain of the story. Question number 2. What do you think Grace's attitude towards Lily? What do you think Grace's attitude towards Lily? ഗ്രേസിയുടെ ലില്ലിയോടുള്ള മനോഭാവം എന്തായിരുന്നു? ഗ്രേസി is a rich girl from പൂമംഗലം തറവാട്. Lily is the niece of the servant of her family. As they were poor, Gracie always avoided Lily. In between the heavy rain, Lily begged several times to Gracie to let her also inside the umbrella. But Gracie did not show any kindness towards the poor Lily. She is a girl with no helping mentality and kindness. Question number 3. Describe the aunt's character in this story. ഈ കഥയിലെ ഓണ്ടിൻ്റെ സ്വഭാവവിശേഷതകൾ വിവരിക്കുക. Refer question number 7 which we have discussed earlier. Question number 4. If you were Lily's friend, how would you help her? നിങ്ങളാണ് ലില്ലിയുടെ സുഹൃത്തെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾ എങ്ങനെയാണ് ലില്ലിയെ സഹായിക്കുക? I will help my friend in her needs. I will let her in my umbrella and will help her to reach school without any problems. I will not behave as Gracie in this story. Let's write. Number 1. Lily was standing on the school veranda. The class teacher, Gracie, and the other children were looking at her. Lily's face became pale. What would Lily's thoughts be? ലില്ലി സ്കൂൾ വരാന്തയിൽ നനഞ്ഞു നിൽക്കുകയാണ്. അവളുടെ ക്ലാസ് ടീച്ചറും അതുപോലെ ഗ്രേസിയും മറ്റു കുട്ടികളും അവളെ നോക്കി ചിരിക്കുന്നു. എന്താവും ലില്ലി അപ്പോൾ ചിന്തിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടാവുക? God, why everybody giggling at me? Why mini teacher is so cruel to me? I ran only to reach here on time. I fell down, my leg got injured. All of my dress became wet. Then also she is scolding me. If I waited till the end of the rain, I will be late. Then also she will scold me. Always I get scoldings from her. I wish I had an umbrella, but who will buy an umbrella for me? My own. She is not interested in sending us to school. If I ask her an umbrella, she will never let me go to school. When will our sad days end? Number 2. Lily told Baby everything that had happened at school. Baby consoled her. Write the likely conversation between Lily and Baby. അന്ന് സംഭവിച്ച കാര്യങ്ങളെല്ലാം ലില്ലി അവളുടെ ചേട്ടനായ ബേബിയോട് പറഞ്ഞു. അവർ തമ്മിലുള്ള ഒരു കോൺവെർസേഷൻ എഴുതുക. Lily, baby cheta, I fell down today on road and got wounded. Baby, what happened? Didn't she let you in her umbrella? Lily, no, I begged several times. She said no and went. I waited almost 10 minutes in front of a shop. When I heard the sound of our school bell, I ran to school. Baby, I thought you came with her. I reached here fully wet. My classmates giggled at me. Lily, when teacher scolded me and told me to stand outside. At that time, Gracie was giggling at me. Baby, we are the poorest among the whole students. We have no one to help us. Lily, I want a dress. Look, it got torn. Baby, I am helpless, Lily. I don't have money with me. If we ask for dress, our aunt will not allow us to go to school. Let us study somehow. Lily, when will these sad days end? Number 3. Go and stand on the veranda. The teacher didn't allow Lily to enter the classroom. What do you think about the teacher's behavior? Write your views in few sentences. പോയി വരാന്തയിൽ നിൽക്ക്, ടീച്ചർ ദേഷ്യത്തോടെ ലില്ലിയോട് പറഞ്ഞു. ഈ ടീച്ചറുടെ പെരുമാറ്റത്തെക്കുറിച്ച് നിങ്ങൾ എന്താണ് ചിന്തിക്കുന്നത്? നിങ്ങളുടെ അഭിപ്രായം എഴുതുക. School is the second home and teachers are the second parents. They have the responsibility to take care of the children. They have a major role in the development of students. They should inspire and help the students to achieve their life goals. In this story, teacher is quite different. She could not understand the sad condition of Lily and also insult her in front of the students. A good teacher will not do such things. Number 4. Pick out the words and sentences from the story which tell you that Lily and baby were very poor. ഈ കഥയിൽ ഉപയോഗിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള വാചകങ്ങൾ ലില്ലിയും ബേബിയും വളരെ പാവപ്പെട്ട വീട്ടിൽ നിന്ന് വരുന്ന കുട്ടികളാണെന്ന് കാണിക്കുന്ന പദങ്ങളും വാചകങ്ങളും എഴുതുക. Number 1. Lily was clad in quite old and torn clothes. Number 2. The edges of the skirt split. Number 3. It was very old skirt, the only one she had. Number 4. At home she always had to change into a bath towel. Number 5. Don't you have an umbrella? No, teacher, said Lily. Question number 5. Is rain a joyful experience to you? Write a brief paragraph on rain. മഴ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഒരു നല്ല അനുഭവമാണോ? മഴയെക്കുറിച്ച് നിങ്ങളുടെ അനുഭവം ഒന്ന് എഴുതുക. Rain is a gift from nature. It will water everything on earth. It gives freshness and cooling in the dry situation. We get enough water from rain. Rain brings happiness. Going to school after summer vacation in rain is a nice experience. But heavy rain causes flood, which is a disaster. Last year in our state, lots of problems happened due to flood. So many people lost their house and properties.
Dear students, please write these questions and answers in your notebook and study. Let's see in the next class. Okay, thank you.